One of the many functionalities of Lupin Bean Ingredients is their ability to act as a flavor enhancer. They make great formulas even more delicious. Our colleagues in France often refer to the flavor of lupin as similar to hazelnut. Indeed, it can extend almonds, hazelnuts, or add a nutty flavor to a wide range of sweet and savory foods. It's somewhat similar to nuts, but much more cost-effective. As a unique member of the legume and bean family, lupin has a quite mild flavor with a bit of beaniness or amino acids on the back end. When formulated correctly, lupin's flavor enhances other flavors and offers delicious, full, rich umami flavor. Complementary flavors include cinnamon, chocolate, cheese, nutritional yeast, warm spices, vanilla, and nuts. For commercial formulas, bitter blockers and natural flavors can also help balance any spiky amino acid flavors. Managing inclusion rate, complementary flavors, and hydration are important. My applications guidance can help your formulas blossom. Just reach out directly and I can help. See more at lupinthesuperfood.com.